Hello, hello, this is Ann from stampinannies.com. I am here today to show you some tips on how to assemble the thank you card that I have in my blog right now. And some of you may have gotten this as a kit, so I want to give you some instructions on how to put it together. So to start, I have two sheets that I started with, the Seaside Spray, and the top piece is Whisper White, which is 5.5 by 4, and I added a strip of the adhesive sheet, adhesive paper. You guys, this is coming back. So starting June 3rd, we will have these sheets again, which I love, love, love. We've been without them for a year. So what I did on this was, first of all, I am using two of the products that are brand new in the Ornate Thanks. This is the Ornate Thanks bundle. So the Ornate Thanks, which has 19 stamps, it's photopolymer, so you can put them, any way you want. Oh dear. Onto the stamp on your block, and then this is the coordinating border dies, Ornate border dies that are bundled with it. So if you buy these together, you save 10%. And these are the two dies that I used on today's card. Okay, so I took my piece of paper and I put just both my borders, and you can see that some of the parts are still in here. That's because the adhesive sheet is on the back. Okay. And then before I go and spend all my time taking this off, I'm gonna stamp it. So that is stamped with the Seaside Spray ink pad. And I put two of the Ornate Thanks stamps together. So it reads, "Thank you from the bottom of my heart," which I just love right now. Okay, so to take care of this, you want to stamp whatever sentiment in there, and you're just going to turn it over and work on that adhesive sheet, okay? And some of your pieces may give you a little hard time, so just be really, really patient with it. Don't go ripping it off like this piece right here. Oh, come on. This is not even supposed to stay in there, so I'm just going to lift it out and gently, gently take all of this off. Okay. Why am I shaking today? I'm telling you guys, I am not, whoop. Okay, so this has all the adhesive on that you need, and I'm just gonna get all my little pieces out here like so and fling them off. Okay, so it does take a little bit of patience to get that on there. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is take my card, and I've already scored it at 5.5. So I always score my cardstock because it's a heavier weight, and I don't like wrinkles on my cardstock. Okay, so then what I'm gonna do is take a little bit of the adhesive, and I'm gonna put it like so all the way down, and that should be plenty to hold it in place. We're gonna tie a ribbon around here, so I'm okay with using the little bit lighter adhesive on here. So I'm just gonna line this up and press it. Look at that, it stays beautifully down. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take my scalloped edge Seaside Spray ribbon, and so many of you always comment, how do you make that tie so nice? So I'm going to show you. So I bring my left side on the bottom, my right side on the top, and I'm going to push this just all the way around and put it to where I want. So see that? this is smooth and this is smooth going through there, okay? So just think you can replay this and replay this. So just make sure this is flat, and then you're gonna go around this ribbon, keep your finger in there, and then pull it out. Okay, and then you can twist this ribbon to lay beautifully flat, okay? All right, and then it's real easy to get a really nice edge on there because I'm using this scallop as a guide. So I'm just gonna go like one over on the top, like so, and one over on the top, like so. Okay, okay, this side seems a little longer, so I'm just gonna clip off one more. All right, it's coming. I'm having that ribbon kind of moment. All right, there you go. All right, so to finish my card, you can do a couple different things, and if you're in my May mystery hostess, you're gonna get a strip of these, a whole strip, so you can load up on all the rhinestones that you want. This is what we're using, the champagne rhinestones. They're beautiful, okay? And I am actually gonna be using my pick tool. It has a little bit of a putty on one end, and it's just sticky enough that I can pull my rhinestone off and put it in place. So I just pull and stick that on there. How awesome is that? And then one more, like so. Okay, isn't that pretty? All right, and you can see the shimmer on there. If you have rhinestones at home, you know you can always color them with your Stampin' Blends or Sharpie markers if you want a yellow center or whatever you want. One last thing, I put it together another card, and you'll see this one on my blog too. But this one, didn't this turn out adorable? For those of you that like a flatter card without rhinestones, look at this. What I did was I actually saved the scrap. Okay, you can see the petals are in here. See all the petals? So I saved this scrap, and I just used my pick tool, I'm sorry, it's take your pick tool. You'll see that on my blog too. But I just use this little point and lift those petals right off of the adhesive sheet, so they already have adhesive on them, and put that large flower on here. See that? And then I put the little dots back into the flowers on the bottom. And then what I actually did was I used a dark Daffodil Delight Stampin' Blend to put a little center in there. And this is the silver metallic edged satin ribbon, and I used the dark Daffodil Delight on that as well. So isn't that sweet? Hello friend, I miss you a lot. This set is going. So that is also in my blog. So this is retiring, get it before it's gone. It'll be gone June 3rd. So, all right, hope you enjoyed. Have fun stamping and stay well. Love you, bye-bye.